our inspiration will be the golden principles of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And I know that with your support and cooperation, I can look forward to the day when Pakistan becomes one of the greatest nations of the world.
यही बता रही थी सीसीपी लाहौर परवीन राठौर कि अभी इसमें धमाका खेज मवाद मौजूद है, ऐसा धमाका खेज मवाद जिसमें अभी धमाका नहीं हुआ। जो
ये मनाज़िर आप बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं जिन्ना अस्पताल के हैं, जहाँ इमरजेंसी गेट बिल्कुल सामने
कहना था कि अब तक 43 जख्मियों को वहाँ पर गरीब अस्पताल जो यहाँ का।
ठीक है, इस वक्त नाज़रीन को बताते चलें कि लाहौर में श्रीलंकन क्रिकेट टीम पर हमले में 5 पुलिस एहलकारों समेत 7 अफराद जाँ बहक और 2 खिलाड़ी जख्मी हुए हैं।
और उसने सिक्योरिटी बैरियर के साथ जो बोल्डर लगा था उसको हिट किया और उसके बाद इसके इंजन में आग लगी।
And there's a lot of corruption. No one's safe. Like if anyone goes out, anywhere out, like even in his own street or to any locality, safe नहीं होता. Anything can happen. कोई भी बम ब्लास्ट हो सकता है, कोई भी आकर सफाई चोरी कर सकता है.
Political instability.
It is full of corruption.
No proper government structure. Democracy not intact.
Friendly people.
पाकिस्तान का वर्ड सुन के मेरे जहन में तो अय्याशी आती है, फ्रीडम, आप रूल्स तोड़ो।
It's an area of opportunities, but we hardly get to see that because the image we have is very negative, and by virtue we Pakistanis are negative people. We always think at the darker side of things.
सारे तू डंडे गिरा के बल्ले को थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठा के, विकेटों के सारे तू डंडे गिरा के, खेलना है क्या, खेल भी तो क्या, चल पड़े हैं क्रिकेट के जनाजे को उठा के। कितना हारेंगे बाबा रे, कितना हारेंगे बाबा रे,
कितना हसीन चेहरा, कितनी प्यारी आंखें, कितनी प्यारी आंखें हैं, आंखों से छलकता प्यार।
I'm definitely going to look into all the possibility of any proof that is given to us at the moment. These are just names of individuals. No proof, no investigation, nothing has been brought to forward.
इस बात के शवाहिद मिले हैं कि मुंबई हमलों में मुबैना तौर पर एक मुल्जिम अजमल कसाब का ताल्लुक फरीदकोट से है।
काफी मुश्किल सवाल है ये, नहीं मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा।
I don't remember any such news.
Can't really think of any. except for Shoaib and Sania. That was the only news that's been coming around for the last week or two.
You know, last good news that I heard was 80 people have traveled to the United States with the Prime Minister. That was the only good news I can think of. You know, at least these 80 people will have an opportunity to go and see the United States and maybe learn something and bring it back here. That's the only good news I can think of.
It's not for Pakistan, it's against Pakistan.
पर हम लोग सिर्फ नेगेटिव चीज़ों को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, अच्छी चीज़ों को दबा रहे हैं. हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट नहीं कर रहे.
मसाला ढूंढते हैं कि कोई अच्छी न्यूज़ भी होगी या कोई जैसे आजकल शोएब सानिया का सामने चल रहा है. They are marrying each other, it's a good news for them, but then इसमें भी इन्होंने कंट्रोवर्सी निकाली. इनको बस कोई भी न्यूज़ चाहिए ताकि ऑडियंस इनका चैनल देखता रहे और कंपनी इनके चैनल में ऐड प्लेस करती है.
That was a controversy, over debated, over talked, and I personally feel that they were not such a public figure that should have been talked about. I haven't seen that happen in Hollywood. I've never seen that happen in any of the Western countries who actually promote this sort of a concert.
I think it's very negative, you know, because all the news that you hear or see, it's all negative, and I don't know why that is happening. Because there's so much good news that that also comes out of Pakistan, but we don't share that. Like, you know, I'm with the Institute of Business Management. We have so many events, so many positive events that take place here on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, and no one, wants to share this and highlight what our students are doing, what our faculty is doing, what our employees are doing here. What our bosses maybe are doing here. There are certain things that we are doing here that cannot be seen anywhere in Pakistan.
I think currently our media is always talking about negative part, and it seems that they just want to raise TRP, they just want to earn money, they just want people to be busy with, and something that's more of a gossip thingy.
पाकिस्तान का इमेज खराब करना है मीडिया के हाथ. मीडिया नहीं देखती कि इससे लोगों में कितना खौफ और हरास आ जाता है लोगों में. मीडिया नहीं चेक करती है, इससे वजह से लोग कितने बेचैन हो जाते हैं. बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट में ऐसी वीडियो शो कर देते हैं जो कि नहीं दिखानी चाहिए.
Pakistan is the international migraine. Pakistan has everything that gives you an international migraine.
I think it's difficult to see international cricket being played in Pakistan in the foreseeable future.
मुंबई को 59 घंटे तक बंधक बनाने वाले देश के दुश्मनों का आका कौन? स्टार न्यूज उठाने जा रहा है इस समय पर्दा. आपको बता दें वो कौन है.
पाकिस्तान में बैठा है वो सरगना, वो मास्टरमाइंड. नाम है चाचा रहमान.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, तोड़ के सारे बंधन हमने दिल की बात है मानी. हाँ ये दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, हाँ ये दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. चक रे हो चक रे इंडिया, चक रे हो चक रे इंडिया.
Amazing Thailand.
Well, President Obama has announced his plans to pledge $50 million to the Pakistani media. The aim being to reverse anti-American sentiments and raise awareness of U.S.-funded projects meant to better the quality of life for every Pakistani.
I think they need to show the greater image of Pakistan. What they're showing is just the politicians. They're just showing what bad is happening in politics. I think what they're not showing is what is happening in different industries, like in textiles. There have been reforms that have been just made. Pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan is doing so well. Sports goods are being made here, being manufactured here. This surgical equipment is being manufactured here, which is being sold in Germany and other places, other European countries, and at a very high price. So I think our quality is there. We just need to brand it so it becomes Pakistani. Right now what is happening is things are going from here. They are labeled as something something made in Europe, and even have prints on it. It's that show or display that that this product was made in Germany or made in some country in Europe. What we need to do is come up with the name Pakistan first of all, that it produces quality products, and then go with those products. I think we need to be showing more of what kind of quality we are producing. We are much better in quality compared to China, compared to Sri Lanka, compared to maybe somewhat India. We're better, but we are not portraying that. We're not showing it.
They should not hide what is going on, but at least don't portray Pakistan as completely a bad country, but not portraying the good parts as well.